A wise man never knows all. Only a fool knows everything. This is the coin through table. Don't let this trick deceive you. The magician has a coin, a glass, and a napkin. He takes the glass and rolls it slowly and cleanly into the napkin. He places the glass over the coin and rubs it against the table, pushing the coin through the table. This doesn't work, so the magician picks up the coin and looks for the soft spot on the table. He finds it and pushes the coin through the table again. This fails a second time, so the magician points towards the spectator and tells him to watch carefully. In order to do this trick, you will need a coin, a glass, and a napkin. Take the glass and roll it into the napkin, making sure you cover the whole of the glass. Then place the glass over the coin and pretend to push it through the table. When this doesn't work, pick up the coin and move it, telling your spectators that you're looking for the soft spots on the table. After this fails a second time, use your hand to point towards the spectator while simultaneously dropping the glass onto your lap. You can now slam your hand down on the napkin to reveal the glass has melted straight through the table.